Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2007 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. This bike's had some pretty nice upgrades added. Got the eyebrows on the lights up front there. Got a real good tire on the front. Aluminum spoke wagon wheel style mags. Got a little oxidation on these lower fork legs. That just happens to that aluminum. The paint looks pretty good. It does have a few little flaws in it. I'll see if I can point them out to you. Rock peck right here and a scratch right there. And then a couple other tiny little pecks on that front fender. Up here on the fairing, it does have a little rock peck or two around. Very minor little cat scratch there and a couple more little rock pecks. So it's an 07. She's not perfect. The bike runs out good. I just got through riding it. Shifts out good. Might be a little rock peck or so down here. You just can't avoid those if you're going to ride one. Fully adjustable highway pegs. This 07 is going to have a 96-inch motor with a 6-speed. Custom air cleaner cover there. Little heel rest for your when you ride. Keeps your foot from sliding back. It's got true dual exhaust, Screaming Eagle mufflers, excellent tire on the rear. Bags look pretty good. There's a couple of little signs on them. A little dull spot there. Bike's got the chrome luggage rack. This bag lid looks good too. It's probably gonna have a couple little signs of wear. I can't really see anything, but hard to avoid getting little marks on one. Looks like there's a little scratch right along this tank right here, and maybe a little bitty rock peck right there. We put you some new Avon grips on it. Full onboard electronics from rider to passenger. Electronic cruise control. Not real sure what this little gizmo is. I'm thinking this is, that looks like a memory card slot right there, so you can put your music in there. Plug this into the auxiliary and control your music right there with that. The bike's got 38,691 miles. Engine sounds good. Screaming Eagle mufflers sound good too. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can go online and see our complete inventory at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. We ran this one through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to ride. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.